Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. I'm tracking ama-player kulona lapha nama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibheka uHappy Mashiane, uSamkelo Zwane, uXolani Xhosa lo lapha neBotswana uyadlala-ke. Uye umuntu odlala ngempela-ke loya kulama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs akulona lawa engiwabhekayo. And then as for uHappy Mashiane, I think it was a bad move. Ngike ngayisho lento le. Nabanye abantu bathi, hayi uzobona uzodlala. Ngithe iswelele as much as singenzi kahle bafowethu. But ku-left back bakhavada abamdingi ulo Happy Mashiane. That was just a bad move for yena as an individual and as i-Kaizer Chiefs icabanga ukuthi makaya kuswelela uzoba guaranteed i-game time. Why? Ngike ngayisho even na last time ngizoyiphinda kulabantu abangayizwanga bafowethu. Kuno-Neo Rapport, one of the best left backs in the country. Eminyakeni yakhe udlala futhi umfana udlalela ama-under 20 unokuba yi-captain laphana ku-under 20. Ngibona ibhande manje selibambe u-T1 but naye bekayi-captain laphana ku-AFCON under 20 bayiwina. Uma umbheka ukuthi uhlakaniphe kangakanani i-speed sakhe, i-flair yakhe, everything nje about yena. Abantu and then ngiyazi ukuthi i-counter attack abantu bazothi uHappy Mashiane u-versatile uyakwazi ukudlala i-wing back. Guess what? No-Rapport u-versatile uyakwazi ukudlala i-wing back. Lela side la ku-wing uya-assista u-Rapport wenza yonke into la ugijima 90 minutes yonke, une-power, une-strength, una-everything umfana. And then i-second option yakhona uNeo Rapport mengadlali uBaliti naye bekafunwa yi-Kaizer Chiefs, bekuthiwa uzojoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. And I question this thing ukuthi yazi i-decision making sometimes amanye abantu abakurepresentayo nama-agents awakucabangeli. uNeo Rapport befuna I think bafuna i-Orlando Pirates, uBaliti bekuthiwa usayisayine ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Labantu yibo abantu bazoreplace direct bazoreplace uHappy Mashiane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba abebangamthembi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but bamlona to i-team enabantu already bebafuna ama-big three. Uzodlala kanjani? Because uma ubabheka labantu laba bahlakaniphile, like bayadlala ukudlala boBaliti kuleya position leya abo-Neo Rapport. But asazi maybe bangamshifta kwenye position. I don't know ngempela ukuthi indaba yakhe izosebenza kanjani, but that was just a bad move because of there is no way he's coming back to Kaizer Chiefs ahluleke ukudlala kuswelele FC. It makes no sense ukuthi bakulone ende njalo uyabona mangikhuluma ngayo lento lokulona ama-player ngishilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs mayikulona chaza ukuthi masiya ku-record ye-Kaizer Chiefs ne-history ye-Kaizer Chiefs kuchaza ukuthi abasakufuni. Bheka ama-player for the past 10 years abawaloni abakuloni ku-Kaizer Chiefs mabakudinga bane-plan ngawo. There's no way baloni uMfundo Vilakazi noma kuthiwa angashawa ebhench isizini yonke adlala ama-match lesi yawu-10 yesizini. There's no way bamloni. I-Kaizer Chiefs inqabe yazi ngobani? NgoHlongwane. Unaleli Hlongwane bebamfuna ngelona wathi no asifuni ngoHlongwane. Why? Because bane-plan ngayo. So mabakulona kusho ukuthi ba-skeptical, they're not sure about you unless maybe usasemncane, but kureba futhi it's rare ukuthi bakulona uphinde ubuye bakulone ungadlali. Indaba yakho ne-Chiefs-ke kusho ukuthi ayisekho. But-ke mina umfethu ngimfisela inhlanhla ukuthi I don't know ukuthi uzodlala kanjani kuswelele, but I don't think uzodlala. Previous game he didn't even make the match day squad. Cabanga, match day squad, he was not there. You're not making it kuswelele FC, you're not making it ku-Kaizer Chiefs, you're not coming back. I wish bamlona eshangazi. Yabona that is why i-agency yakhe lo muntu amrepresentayo kumele amshiye bafethu. There is no way avumele le deal le. Rather bekumele avele ahlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngenkani, ashawe ibhench ku-Kaizer Chiefs ilokhu njani unyaka wonke, ifimele umshawe unyaka wonke ibhench or ngoJanuary. But because lento le move le yenzakala ngama last minute bafethu of the last day of i-transfer market bahamba. I remember ngimbone eNaturena laphana ekuseni ejima and then next day sekaneswelele FC. Ngazibuza ukuthi how did they hlanganisa this move fast kanje? And then I was like, let me invest kule story lesi ngisibheke, and then I realized that's just a terrible move for a player. There's no way I improve lapha. There's no ngoba ngeke athole i-game time. Obani abathathe lesinqumo lesi decision lokuthi bahambise umfana aye kuswelele FC. That was just a bad move. Terrible move. But ngimfisela inhlanhla ukuthi akwazi ukuthi wathola ama-opportunity. As for uZwane, yeah, in midfield the Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think izomdinga anytime soon, to be fair. Midfield the Kaizer Chiefs, like in midfield is strong. And it's strong as much as some people don't come to the party. Imagine Lebohang Maboya bakadlali that match. Mawubheka imidfielder yabo overall mayibheka nje seyiyonke uyabona ukuthi uZwane uyalazi ibhola, siyakwazi lokho. I think I like seeing him more. Ngihleka because of I'm thinking of i-freestyle yakhe. Lo muntu lo one of the best freestylers ku-PSL kuwo wonke ama-play ezi-freestyler uyakwazi ukufreestyle ukuzibambela ibhola liteka around the world whatever super skillful but leyo nto leyo uyasayi-apply egrawundini he needed more push in terms of i-hard work or maybe beseka-relaxe kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs bacabanga ukuthi kumloni kuyakuswelele kuzom-improve udlalile against Orlando Pirates but-ke he's behind in terms of i-fitness. Then let me try and correct this thing. Maybe uHappy Mashane khona into eyenzakalayo ngayo athintekile. That is why he didn't make the match day squad the previous game of Iswelele FC, but he's not gonna play there. Even if he's gonna play lapho nalapho, he's not gonna contribute immensely. Baze babone ukuthi umfana bambize back eNaturen. He's not going back to eNaturen. Into yakhe neKaizer Chiefs it's over. Kuyothatha umlingo ukuthi aphinde abuyele eNaturen. Adlala angabuyela ukubuyela ngoba une-contract nabo but they have to find a way forward, a common ground ukuthi separate because there's no future yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs and there's no future yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, there's no future yakhe kuSwelele FC because they made a wrong move. But yeah, it's part of the beautiful game. Amaphutha ayenzeka. Mina by the way is one of my favorite player. Okay, thingangena indaba personal, but he's one of the players I would say kwamanye ama-teams angadlala, but it all comes down to hard work bafowethu. When you're given an opportunity to play, just give your all bafowethu. Be willing to die inside the field of play. We saw improvement kaMthetho. I think abantu abaningi kumele bamodele igame yabo around improvement kaMthetho ukuthi if lo anga-improve why mina nginga-improve because of I'm seeing this guy improve phambi kwamehlo wami phambi kwami. So konke lokho. But yeah man, it's just a game of football kanjalo-ke bafowethu. But I want to cover something before ngiyivala indaba zaku-PSL bafowethu. Kuthi i-PSL ngizobuyela kule nto engike ngakhuluma ngayo. PSL i-professional league na because i-professional ku-admin side but on the ground in terms of ukuprotect ama-player ayikho professionally lelo side lelo, nanokuthi i-open bid yokuthi wonke umuntu angathenga ithimu angayideserve ukuthenga ithimu angazi nanokuthi ukurun ithimu what it takes ukurun ithimu ama-expenses. We seeing iSwelele FC si-struggle manje because bathengisele umuntu ithimu ongekho well equipped ukuthi angakwazi ukurana ithimu. We seeing that in terms of i-management yama-player, ukumanage ama-trips wama-player, zonke lezi zinto lezo they are under pressure serious, abanayo imali yoku-cater for i-team yaku-PSL but they were allowed ukuthi bathenge i-team. But uma ubheka i-record labo bake barana yiphi i-team, ubheka umphathi wabo laphana kuSwelele FC kuwarana yiphi i-team to be fair. Angaba ubusiness because umntana kaGayton McKenzie yes but uke warana yiphi i-team, akaze arana i-football team of this magnitude bekumele atrain nayo. Awutholi isikhundla based on ukuthi ubabakho ubani bani ngoba uthenga izinto uthenga i-team ngemali kababakho. No. Track record yakho ukuthanda ibhola, you gotta love ibhola. I mean khona this guy as much as simkhulu okay naye akazenzeli i-favor ku-public eye, uSinki Mnisi lo wamanage uThemba Zwane wathengisela uThemba Zwane kuMamelodi Sundowns. Lo muntu loya uyakwazi ukumanager i-team, uya-understand izinto zokutravela. Siyazi ukuthi naye unamaphutha wakhe, asikhohlwa amaphutha wakhe nanokuthi i-media i-team nanokuthi uthini ulwa nabantu kwasha kwacima but i-management yakhe bekangakaze amanage i-team yaku-PSL but-ke bekane-team ebizwa ngeVardos ku-3rd division. So izinto ey'ncane leyo experience leyo unayo yokumanage i-team ngama-funds amancane yokupatanisa ukuhlanganisa nkosi yami, unayo leyo nto leyo. So when he was elevated to i-PSL ukuthi seka one of the leaders ko-Royal AM nakwamanye ama-team, you know why? Because of sekayazi ukuthi i-team iranwa kanjani. So wena uthenga i-team as a-businessman as umuntu onemali but you've never ran a team, you don't know like ukuthi kuranwa kanjani i-team. You don't know ukuthi une-50 million uthenga i-team nge-50 million. Udinga enye i-50 million yokurana i-team, ama-flights, ukutravela, amabhasi, zonke lezi zinto lezi. Then kula ababhekane nenkinga khona bahamba ngamabhasi-ke njalo kuyiwa phansi naphezulu ngamabhasi nala ama-players khona ekungamelanga ahambe ngamabhasi. Bebodlala nani ne-Golden Arrows bafika bakhathele laphana eDurban. Bafowethu yazi ezinye izinto ziya-disappoint but you know what singaba-blame kakhulu but-ke i-PSL nayo kumele ibhekisise ukuthi obani abathenga ama-team bayithatha le nto lebhola ne-background yabo yebhola ukuthi bayakwazi ukurana izinto na, bangathengisi abantu ama-team just nje ngoba banemali yokuwathenga ama-team. No, akubheke ukuthi umuntu uzokwazi na ukurana i-team, ibe professional. That is why manje uthola ama-player I don't wanna go back kakhulu. Ama-player akolotwa iy'mali ku-P_S_L. Uzibuze ukuthi what is happening kahle kahle? Yeah, but ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafowethu indaba yaku-P_S_L nama-teams. But yeah, Happy Mashiane not coming back to Kaizer Chiefs. It's not happening. You have to, ngoJanuwari, I wish ngoJanuwari afune i-team engcono la azothola khona i-game time adlale ukuthi bambone, because of they are tracking ukuthi ama-players akulona ayadlala na. You are not playing, you are not a regular ku-Kaizer Chiefs, you're not a regular ku-Soweto FC. I mean, come on man, come on now. But ikufisela inhlanhla boy, danko.